So these last 4 years on YouTube have been really crazy. So this space started off as a simple studio where I first started to make my content, and it has evolved over the last 4 years into what I have now. So what I want to do in this video is go over all of the changes that's gone on in this space over the course of the last 4 years in my content creation game. So I'm going to break this video down into 4 different sections. We're going to have 1, my productivity workstation. We're going to have 2, my content creation workstation. We're going to have my secondary desk. And then finally, we're going to have my TV and relaxation area. So we're going to get into all of the changes and how the space has evolved over the last 4 years. So when I first started out, I just started with a simple desk and a bare necessity, a mic and a cell phone. But over time, I accumulated more gear, got more furniture, and added a little bit more personal touches to get to where we are now. I really focused on creating a space that helped me get focused, be more productive, and get those creative juices flowing. So now let's get into the basics of the space. So this entire space is 10 by 12, which made me be really creative on how I was able to get these 4 spaces into this 10 by 12 space. Now here's a quick look of how I've broken down this room into 4 distinct areas. Let's start off with the heart of the office, my main work desk. This desk has everything I need to stay productive. The setup is powered by M1 Mac Mini, running a dual Acer EK271U monitors for some serious multitasking. I got my Stream Deck here for quick controls and the Rodecaster Pro 2 for all of my audio management. I'm using the Rode Pod mic on this Joby Wavo mic arm for crystal clear audio, and music and audio comes through the PreSonus 3.5 studio monitor. The desk is from IKEA. It's the Embacco desktop. It's pretty much a kitchen countertop, 74 inches, paired up with 2 Alex cabinets for storage. I love the minimalist look, and a LaMetric time clock gives me a cool modern touch. Oh, and you can't forget my real plants. They're probably going to be dead by the time I do this next video, but keep them in your prayers. They help bring some life to the space and give it a little bit more personality. Next up is my content creation desk. This is where all the magic happens. I've got another IKEA desk here, but the star of the show is this custom built PC with the Acer ultra wide monitor. It's a beast. It pretty much handles everything I throw at it. For filming, I have 2 cameras. My main camera is the Sony a6400 with the Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens for that high quality crystal clear visuals. I also have the Sony ZV-1F for my top down shots. Both cameras are hooked up to the A10 Mini, so I can use this for live streaming or any camera switching. For streaming or podcasting, I use the Fifines version of the Stream Deck, and the lighting is handled by this RGB video light from GVM. Now over here we have my secondary desk. This one is set up with the Asus ZenBook 14-inch OLED laptop, which is connected to a 24-inch Spectre monitor. It's great for a second workspace or when I'm trying to be a little bit more portable with my setup. And yep, you guessed it, another Sony ZV-1F camera is ready to capture anything I need from this angle. Finally, let's talk about my favorite place in the room, the relaxation corner. I've got this beautiful 65-inch Sony OLED Bravia UR2, which is perfect for unwinding. It's connected to both an Xbox Series X and a Nintendo Switch OLED. These smart blackout blinds from Smart Wings are a game changer. They do a fantastic job of blocking out light when I need to focus, and the Govee RGB light strips add a cool ambient vibe around the room. There's still a few improvements I'd like to make. For one, I'm thinking about switching all of my lights over to the Amaran lights, so I'll be able to control all of the lights through a single app. And I also plan to add another IKEA desk just like this one on the other side of the room. And I'm also on the lookout for a more modern looking couch to make this room a little more updated. Looking back, it's really amazing to see how this room has evolved over the last 4 years. And I'm really excited to see how it changed even more in the upcoming years. When I first started this channel, I had pretty much the most basic setup you could ever think of. And I really would have never imagined that I would have all of this stuff here. And I know it's going to get even better down in the future. I'm really excited to see where this channel goes. I'm really excited to see how this channel evolves and changes over the next few years. So I want to thank you for watching this office tour. If you have any questions about anything that I showed in the video, drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to them. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.